It's really nice to see electronics sold today to be designed for disassembly. Which is what I thought until I tried popping off the screen face. I guess it wasn't meant to be removed, but, you know, it came off eventually. It still had this horrible adhesive, so I used this plastic prior thing, which I got from like a phone repair toolkit, and that worked great. Oddly enough, I found myself using it a whole lot on this build. When the spatula thing wasn't enough, well, WD-40 is still a magic substance that solves all of your problems. To get the original paint off, I tried rubbing it off with some alcohol, because there is this other guy who did the exact same mod. You know, his turned out a bit better, but that's not the point. The point is, he rubbed it off and it must have taken so much time and effort. I mean, look, he's basically just finishing one corner, and you know, I already had different plans for that night. Just picking a movie until it's too late to watch it. So I certainly wouldn't want to miss that. So this magical prior spatula thing came to the rescue, and look how well it worked. I guess having it soaked in alcohol might have helped too, just a little bit. The first try didn't turn out very well. The screen was misaligned, the edges were all messed up, and for some reason the paint just turned grey. But that wasn't going to stop me. I took it all apart, and this time I aligned the screen cutout better, and I was going to use 3 layers of paint instead of just 1, and overall I wasn't going to do such a sloppy job like I did the first time.
What the hell?
Somehow it turned out even worse. At this point, I didn't even know what the problem was. I could only find out if I kept trying. This time I made a template to position the cutout correctly, and another one to make it the right size. But most importantly, I was going to let the paint dry in a less humid room, because that must have been the reason for the paint turning grey.